Just look at this channel, consistent views, ultra long lo-fi content, basically printing money from a background and some music. And this isn't just one channel, there are dozens doing the exact same thing across completely different niches. But here's what nobody tells you: if you do this wrong, you won't get views, and even worse, you won't get monetized at all. So today, as someone who has actually made money on YouTube, I'm going to build a lo-fi channel from scratch with the mission to show you exactly how money is made in this niche, how much work it takes, how to stand out, and reveal the one strategy that most of these channels are completely sleeping on, and it's costing them a lot of money. To be honest with you, when I first looked at this niche, I thought there was no way it could be monetized. Like, how do you take background, slap some music on it, and actually make YouTube pay you for that? Isn't that too easy to get monetized? Honestly, that's what I was thinking. I thought it was impossible. But then I kept seeing these channels blow up in different niches too. For example, friends of mine were making Minecraft ambient videos and genuinely making money from them. And if people are uploading every day, they wouldn't do it if they didn't get paid. And there's actually one more niche I've been watching that's quietly exploding right now, completely under the radar, and almost nobody is talking about it yet. I'll show you exactly what it is and how you could take advantage of it at the end of this video. But first, let me show you why most people fail at this and can't monetize it. If you steal a background clip and throw copyrighted music on top, you're done before you even start. No monetization. I've always said this and I'll say it again. Making money on YouTube is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it's definitely not a copy-paste work. You have to put in the effort. However, the tools I'm going to show you today don't just minimize the effort, they actually increase your views and your revenue at the same time. And I'm going to tell you what those tools are right now, because I'm not here to waste your time. One of the most powerful tools I will mention today is 24/7 live streaming. That's the strategy. If you're running a faceless YouTube channel and you are not doing this, you're leaving serious passive income on the table right now. Sleep channels, ambient sound channels, entertainment channels, and even big creators with fully on-camera channels, they're all using this exact method, or at least it could be used on all channels. And the reason it works so well is simple. You take content you've already made, loop it, and stream it 24/7, and it generates income on top of what your regular videos are already making. The RPM is higher on streams, people engage through live chat, and that little live badge next to your thumbnail pulls more clicks than a regular video thumbnail. And before you ask, no, you don't have to leave your computer running at 3 AM praying it doesn't catch fire. That's not a thing anymore. There are tools that handle the entire technical side for you, so your computer can rest just as peacefully as your viewers. I'll show you exactly which one I use and how to set it up, but first, let me show you how to actually build a lo-fi channel worth streaming. Because without the right foundation, the streaming strategy won't save you. Now, I looked at what our competitors are doing, and most of them, and I mean most, are not using the 24/7 streaming strategy. That's a massive gap, and that gap is our advantage. So here's what we need to do. Step 1. Create branded visuals and background music. And I want to emphasize this. Everything here has to be planned and consistent. You can't just make a random background one week and a completely different vibe next week. Your brand needs to feel like a place people want to come back to. Some lo-fi channels go for a Tokyo aesthetic, others lean into gaming. I'll show you exactly what direction I chose and why, but first let me explain you how I came up with it. So I brainstormed ideas on my own, then used AI to push those ideas further. What I landed on was historical lo-fi channel, with ancient Rome and Greece as the visual backdrop, paired with lo-fi music that actually fits that atmosphere. And that last part matters more than people think. The music has to match the vibe. So I went to ChatGPT and asked it to generate a prompt for lo-fi music that would suit the atmosphere of ancient Rome and Greece. It gave me a few options, I picked the best one, and then I took the prompt straight into Suno AI and pasted it into the style field. I left the lyrics completely blank, because the last thing you want is AI generated lyrics ruining a perfectly relaxing track. And the result I got was stunning. Just listen to this. It's calm, atmospheric. It actually sounds like something you'd put on while studying or working. To be real, I genuinely listen to this myself. Now, to be transparent, Suno AI is a paid tool and they are not sponsoring me. I just couldn't find a free alternative that came close to this quality. I also tried Artlist's music generator, but it's even more expensive. And I think free tools might exist, but if you want content that actually competes, you're going to need to invest a little. So the only good news is that Suno is cheap compared to most other tools out there. Now, here's what I would also recommend. Don't just generate one track. Give it a few similar prompts, generate multiple tracks in the same style so you have variety. Then bring all of them into your editing software. From there, you need to make the audio at least a few hours long. You can either stack enough tracks together, or in Premiere you can actually extend and loop the track. On top of that, I would layer in some subtle effects to make it feel unique rather than just repetitive. Once the audio is sorted, it's time for the animated background. And this is where a lot of people overthink it. I went back to ChatGPT and simply asked it to give me a background prompt that would match the music style it had already suggested. And I also told it something important. I'm going to turn this image into a looped animation, so it needs to have elements that can move continuously. Things like rain, fire, or flowing fabric. That detail alone saves you a lot of headaches later. Take that prompt, drop it into an image generator and test different models, different styles, different variations until you find the one that clicks. Don't settle on the first result. Now here's where it gets interesting and where most people make a critical mistake. Once you have your image, you take it into an image to video generator. Ask ChatGPT to write you an animation prompt based on the original image prompt, specifying that only loopable elements should move, the candle flame, the rain, wherever fits your scene, and generate a 10-second clip of it. We don't want to waste hundreds of thousands of credits to create animation that would last a few hours. So we'll create a 10-second clip animation that we can loop smoothly into 2 hours clip. And it's very important to make it loop smoothly so that it doesn't look like every 10 seconds the video starts over. Now, I'm also listening to your comments and I've seen people complaining that I don't share exact prompts I'm using. So I prepared a PDF with all the step-by-step prompts I used in this video to get the results. So if you want to get the step-by-step prompts I used, subscribe to my free newsletter and I'll send it to you. Drop that clip into your editing software, and here's the problem you're about to run into. If you just duplicate the clip and stack it, you'll see an ugly hard cut every time it loops. It completely kills the atmosphere. So you must fix it, and here's how to do it. When you duplicate the animation, reverse it. Now it plays forward, then backward, creating a seamless loop with no visible cut. Simple, but most people don't know it. On top of that, I'd recommend adding a particle overlay, dust, light rays, whatever fits your scene, and layering in some subtle ambient sound effects to make it feel real and alive rather than like a generated clip on loop. Once all of that is done, upload the final video to YouTube. And here's where we bring everything together with that strategy I mentioned at the start. Take that same video and bring it into Gyre Pro. And this is where things get serious. Gyre Pro is an officially certified YouTube live streaming service listed directly in the YouTube service directory and trusted by broadcasters like BBC Studios and NBC Universal. So this isn't some sketchy workaround. It's legitimate, it's professional, and it runs completely without your computer needing to be on. Before you even start the stream, there's one thing I want to show you that most people skip, and it causes 95% of the technical problems people run into. Gyre has a built-in converter that automatically optimizes your file before streaming. Bitrate, frame rate, resolution, it adjusts everything to meet YouTube's exact requirements. You don't have to touch a single setting. Just run your file through it and you're good to go. Now, to set up the stream, go to YouTube Studio, hit go live, choose schedule stream, fill in your title and description, select streaming software as the method, make the stream public, then go into stream settings and copy your stream key. Wire that key because anyone who has it can go live on your channel. Open Gyre Pro, click add stream, paste your stream key, add your YouTube Studio URL, upload your looping video and save. Hit start and you're live. Now go back to YouTube Studio, and if you see the live badge, it's working. Now here's something most people don't realize. You don't have to be around to manage any of this. Gyre has a stream scheduler built in, which lets you schedule streams months in advance. And it goes even further than that. Gyre lets you create playlists. You can also run vertical streams, which is huge if you're a target targeting a mobile first audience or experimenting with different formats. And it lets you run multiple streams simultaneously on the same channel. We're not talking 2 or 3. I've seen channels running over 100 concurrent streams using Jar Enterprise plan. The ceiling is basically wherever your content strategy demands. That's it. Branded music, animated background, seamless loop, automatic file optimization, scheduled streams, and 24/7 income running without you touching a thing. A massive thanks to Jar Pro for sponsoring this video. If you want to try it, you can sign up through my link in the description and get a 7-day free trial. And I've also negotiated a 15% discount code for you. You'll find it in the description as well. And one more last note before we end the video. Don't just try it for a week. Give more time for the strategy to actually refine what's working for your specific audience. Enough time for YouTube's algorithm to recognize your content format and start pushing it properly. And enough time to collect real analytics that you can build a long-term strategy around. The channels making serious money with this aren't the ones who tested it for 1 week. They're the ones who committed and let the system do its thing.
What's up? It's Money Guy from the production. I'm a bit sick right now, but I'm here because I almost forgot to show the niche that's currently popping and going viral and that you can take advantage of. So here's one of the channels. It's called Lofi and it's AI music for productivity. So basically you just find your style, find your aesthetic style that you can use as your thumbnails and backgrounds in the videos and generate music that's useful for people who want to be productive and use that music while working. And there's this another channel, Productivity FM, who started just 3 months ago and already has videos with over 100,000 views. It's minimalistic, it's targeted towards productivity, so I wanted to show this niche because nobody is talking about it yet, and I'm sure you can get inspiration to start a similar channel or use this format or this niche and add your own spin and print in this niche. Okay, see ya, take care.